Okay, so after reading this, I know that some of you guys had a good time drawing your own robots and thinking about what you would want them to do. But I want you to think about a robot as solving a problem, okay? Because the purpose of a robot is to help make people's lives better by doing things that we can do, but maybe that they can do or do better than us, okay? So, looking here, this is a problem solution sheet that discusses what the robots in our story were able to do or to help people do. Okay. So remember, a problem is something that a person wants to do, change, or find out. The way the person solves the problem is the solution. Now, let me use my little pen here because I think that this is an important thing to point out. So, the problem is what they want to do. Okay, that's the problem. What they want to do, change, or find out. The way that they solve the problem is the solution. I'm going to use a different color. So, solving is the solution. So, we have a problem. That's what we want to fix. And the solution is how we fix it. Okay, so let's find one of the problems that Mr. Takahashi faced when building robots for the race. So the book picked out this section on page 167. I will read it to you guys, and we're going to talk about what problem was stated in the passage. Okay. Takahashi began to put his robots in contests. He made 3 robots for a sports race in Hawaii in 2011. The first robot had to swim. The second robot had to ride a bike. The third robot had to run. The robots had to do these tasks for a week. Before we start, what do you guys think the word tasks means? Tasks. The robots had to do these tasks for a week. Think about it. Swimming, riding a bike, running. Tasks are things that we have to do, okay? So they had to do all 3 of those tasks for a week. Now they circled the first robot had to swim. So let's take a look at our organizer up here. We have problem, steps to a solution, and the solution. So a problem can't just have an immediate fix, usually, okay? If it has to do with a robot, you can't just snap your fingers and the robot's ready. You have to do something to get there, okay? So we wrote Takahashi wanted to put a robot in a race where it had to swim, okay? Now he had to think about what can I do to get there? What can I do to fix this? So he built a waterproof robot with arms like fins. He said, "You know what? My robot needs to be waterproof because it's got to be able to swim, and it can't just have regular robot arms. It has to have arms that are like fins so it can swim." After he built this robot, he had his solution. Takahashi built his robot in a way that it could swim. Okay? So all problems have to have steps to their solution. Okay? If you're hungry, that's your problem. Your steps to your solution, you're going to either cook or make or prepare a snack. And your solution, you're not hungry anymore. You have your snack. Okay? Now we're going to talk about this and work on it on a little activity on the next slide.